So there's a pretty logical process in formulating a farm plan. But the first decision any farmer will need to make relates to the choice and to the combination of what to produce. For instance, how much animal husbandry is going to be done relative to growing crops. And even within these two broad categories, how much of the farm's resources will be dedicated to rearing cattle versus pigs or goats or chickens. For crops, the farmer will need to make decisions regarding the choice of crops. Should he grow maize versus sorghum, or millet versus sweet potato, or tobacco versus vegetables? The choices are many. Now, the choice and the combination of these different farming options are ultimately going to be reflected in the farm's budget and what the financing requirements of that farm will be. If we assume that the main objective of the farming business is to generate as much profitable as possible, the farming plan and budget should be compiled in such a way that they find the most profitable combination of production. So the idea here is to reduce or eliminate the least profitable products and to maximize the most profitable products. So as a minimum, we'd expect the farming business to address these 5 steps in deciding on its farming plan. Firstly, to analyze factors impacting on the farm. Secondly, to choose the production options. Thirdly, to estimate total costs and total income. And then fourthly, to draw up the main budget for the farm. This is our focus. But in addition to that, we're going to consider the drawing up of a financing budget. So it's essential to compile this farming plan, at least when a new farm is being developed or an existing one is being reorganized or repurposed. Even for existing farms, the farming plan should be re-looked at and revised from time to time because the market conditions change and the environment changes. This helps to ensure that the farm's annual budget and the financing budget remain responsive, remain relevant, and that the management team can be held accountable to them.